Good day. Today I'll be taking you through how to draw this elbow. So let's just start it. This is the question. So we're going to start. So the angle here is 35 degrees. So I will fillet it. I'll fillet this by 35 degrees. So I'll fillet by 35 degrees. Okay. So that is it. Then from here I'll select this plane. Then I'll draw a circle, 2 circles. So I'll draw these circles. The first one is 26. The inner one is 26 diameter, and the outer one is 40 diameter. So I'll draw those circles, 2 circles. All of them, I'll draw them here. So I have 40 diameter. So I'll draw them. One. So the other one is 26. I'll draw that one too. Okay. So I'll close. Then I'll sweep them through. So first of all, select the path. Then I'll select this. So finish. I'll select this same thing. Select this one to sweep. Okay. So let's see. Okay. I'll draw on this surface. On this one, I'll draw a circle of diameter 26. No, sorry. Let's go back. Okay, I'll draw a circle of 26 diameter here. Okay, like this. So that's it. Then I'll sweep it by using the cut sweep. So I'll select this and then I'll select this. Okay, then finish. So when I look at it, I'll create a hole. Yeah, you see the hole. So that's it. Okay. I can now select this part, this portion. And select this surface. And select this face. Okay, this face. Then I'm going to draw this part on that face. I'm drawing this part on that face. And as you can see, it has about 3 circles, 26, 40, and 78 diameter, and then the small holes around it are 10 diameter each. So I'll draw that one. So I'll come here. First of all, let me draw the 26. So simple. 40. And then the 78 like this. So when you look at the diagram very well, from the center point to the center of the small circles is 30 diameter. So I'll do that one too. So from here to where the sun will be to be 30 diameter. So I'll draw the 10 diameter here. And diameter here. So from here to I'll draw 30. Sorry, 30. From here 30. Now click here. Okay. So you can use the array arrangement to do it, but doing it this way might be safer for you in case you don't know of the array, how to use the array. So it's 10 diameter circle like this. Then after doing this, I'll mirror them. So I'm selecting this one. Then I'll mirror it to this line. Then I'll mirror again this one. And I'll use this line to mirror it. So that's how you can do it. So you can delete this line now. Delete this line. Sorry. I mean this line. Delete this line. Okay. So like this are done. So extrude this. So let's see the extruding distance. So the thickness of it is what? 8 millimeters. 8 millimeters. So that'll be the thickness. And we are extruding it inward. So extrude inward. So I'll select this. So it's supposed to be one side then. So I'm going in. So it's supposed to be 8. Okay. So that's it. I will send it. So that's it. So we'll now come to this side. So I'll select what's sketch. I'll select this surface like this. So I come to draw this one. I come to draw this surface, and it has circles. How many circles? It has 1, 2, 3. Also have 3 big circles and 30. Okay, so draw that one too. It has 26, 40, 70, 54. All these circles, yes. So okay. Okay. So let's go. I'll draw 26. 26, 40, 40, 70, then 52, I guess so. Yes, 52. Okay. But now from the center here to the center of this small circle is what? 29. So I'll do that one too. And it should be upwards and downwards. So from here, so it should be 29. Okay. So let's do 29. 29. So the diameter of the small circle is 12. Okay, 12. 12. Okay. Y is 12. So let me write. Let me write this one. So I'll write. So delete this and delete that. Okay. So at the same center here, I'm drawing a circle of 30 diameter. The same center. So same center, 30. This one. Okay. So let me trim them. Let me trim them. Let me trim them. Then I'll fillet it. This one and this one, I'll fillet them. I'm filleting them. So this and that. So let's select this. Something like that. Okay. So I can trim this portion, this, and that. Okay. So I'm done. Then with this one too, I'll extrude it. By what distance? 11 millimeters. 11 millimeters. So 11 millimeters is like this. So I'll extrude it 11 millimeters upwards. So it should be upwards by 11. Okay. Finish it. You do this 11 with 110. It's left with 110. You have to fillet this side and this portions. So how do you do that? Let's look in the question. You said at this place what? That fillet is 2.5 and this place too is the same thing 2.5. So you have to fillet that one too. So with that one you have round something like this. And the radius is 2.5. So I'll select this portion, click it, then enter. So this place to click and that, enter. So preview, finish. So that's it, I'm done. So this is the total output. So you can subscribe to the channel if you are new here, and watch out for more tutorial videos like this, and very soon there will be lectures to come on certain courses in engineering. Thank you very much.